Did you know that over 2 million residential and commercial burglaries occur every year in the U.S.? This resulted in over $15 billion in property damage alone. That's why you need to have proper doors, locks, and a security system that truly protects you and everything you hold dear, where our team of highly trained operators handle each security breach fast and with the most detailed location accuracy. Goldy Locks offers a wide range of setups designed to specify your exact security needs. It pays to have the right security system in place at the right time. Goldy Locks is a certified Resideo Pro and Honeywell Authorized security system installer. You can feel safe and protected 24/7 with Resideo's alarm systems in your home or business. You deserve the most advanced security technology. Modern and intuitive control panels and home automation devices from Resideo and Honeywell allow you to take control of your home and business directly from your mobile phone. Accurate local security monitoring is key. An extremely important and perhaps life-saving feature that makes our security monitoring the premier option in the market is that our central station is actually located in the Chicago area. Why take a chance? Goldy Locks, your source for complete safety and security. Give us a call, chat online with us, or schedule a property security inspection directly on our website today.